So if you're trying to figure out what streaming device you should actually buy in 2026, this video is definitely for you. And to be honest, there's no perfect streaming device anymore. Some are better for beginners, some are better for gaming, some for IPTV, and others are just overpriced for no reason. So today I'm breaking down the best streaming device for every person, and trust me, choosing the wrong one can completely ruin your streaming experience. So we're gonna jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so let's start off with what's best for beginner. And if you're looking for something simple, reliable, and easy to use, and also packs a punch, my pick here is the On 4K Plus. Now, this device is honestly one of the easiest streaming devices that I could recommend right now. And that's because this just works. You get Google TV, you get the voice remote, 4K HDR, access to basically every streaming app, and a clean user interface that's easy to understand. But also, this is an extremely powerful device and is priced very well. Now, compared to other Android boxes, you don't have to tweak your settings, don't have to sideload apps if you don't want to, you don't have to mess with launchers. You plug it in, sign into your Google, and you're ready to start streaming. So this is going to be perfect for parents, for casual users, for someone upgrading from Roku, people that just want Netflix and YouTube to just work. So that's my pick, just beginner friendly and easy to use, as well as packing a punch. Next, let's talk about the best for power users. And if you're the type of person that likes to customize, that like a lot of features built in, this category for you. And honestly, for me, this is the On 4K Pro 2. Now, this thing is honestly kind of crazy for the price. If you think about it, it's sitting around $58. You're gonna get 3 gigs of RAM. You're gonna get an upgraded CPU, so performance is gonna be really good. USB port, Ethernet port, faster multitasking, built-in wireless assistant from Google, and you also get Find My Remote as well as a backlit remote with this device. Now, the biggest thing for me is that Google TV still gives you a way for more freedom, accessibility. You can still do whatever you want. This is your box to customize how you want, and this is a total difference from what we see from Fire TV right now. So if you're someone who likes sideloading apps, installing custom launchers, adding storage, using ADB commands, and running emulators, this is probably one of the best value devices out right now. And honestly, it's one of the few budget streaming boxes that actually feels like a mini powerhouse. Now over to the best streaming device for gaming, and you guys probably already know this already. If gaming is important to you, there's really only one device that still dominates, and that's the Nvidia Shield TV Pro. Now, yes, the Nvidia Shield TV Pro is going on 6 years old. It is an older device. It is using the older Android TV user interface, but somehow it's still one of the most powerful streaming devices that you can actually buy. Now with the Nvidia Shield, you are going to get GeForce Now cloud gaming, you are going to get AI upscaling. This shares the same specs as a Nintendo Switch, so this is going to be excellent for gaming, excellent for emulators, gigabit port, USB ports, tons of flexibility. Of course, you can stream on this. Honestly, this is one of the most robust devices still here in 2026. So if you're doing anything with retro gaming, PSP emulations, Dreamcast, Steam Link, Moonlight, cloud gaming, this Shield still crushes most other devices. Now, do I think the Nvidia Shield needs a newer version? Absolutely, but not necessarily for performance, because I do feel like it's still outperforming the newer boxes. For me, it's more about getting some minor tweaks, so maybe Google TV instead of your Android TV, maybe some new ports, maybe some USB ports, and just some other refinements just to make it stand out. Let's jump over to the best budget option. So the best budget streaming device, if you want something that's good value for your money, this one is pretty easy to me, and this is going to be the On 4K streaming stick. Now this is a ridiculously affordable device, and the crazy part is it's actually good, guys. So I did do a review not too long ago, and it does have a lot of features in such a small package. So you are going to get 4K streaming, Google TV, voice search, access to all the major apps, pretty decent performance for the size. Now, is this a hardcore power device? No, but for bedrooms, guest rooms, kids TVs, dorm rooms, secondary TVs, this is a great device, and it just got a facelift. Now let's talk about the best for IPTV users, and if IPTV is your main use case, this category changes completely because IPTV users care about different things than normal streamers. So you are gonna worry about stable playback, fast channel switching, Ethernet support, good remotes, storage, multitasking, of course, software designed specifically for IPTV. And for that, 2 picks for this one, and both of them are going to be Buzz TV. Did review both of them not too long ago, so we do have 2 of them. Buzz TV AI Classic, which is the newest release. This device is AOSP, so Android open source project, so not Google certified, but it's great for IPTV and streaming. Next one is going to be the Buzz TV G series, and this one is actually Google certified, but it still has some of those core apps that just makes streaming a lot better. So again, it's a toss-up between what you want. If you want more customizable options, Buzz TV AI Class is going to be for you. But if you want to stay under that Google certification and get your official applications, then the G series is for you. Now, Buzz TV software experience is extremely IPTV focused, guys. Channel navigations feel right. The remote is solid. The remote has all the built-in features that you want for IPTV. It has the remote buttons, it has the number buttons, has separate inputs, favorites. Just a great remote for what you're looking to do. Just the difference between the two, if you want a better mix of IPTV, Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, certified streaming apps, and more modern user interface, then I'll probably go with the G series, because the G series finally brings Google TV into the Buzz TV ecosystem, and honestly, that makes it more interesting for folks who are looking for this type of box, especially for people who want both mainstream as well as IPTV on your device. Now let's talk about the best for travel. And I did mention this device before, but my pick again is the On 4K streaming stick. Because this thing is pretty tiny, it's about the same size, a little bit smaller than Fire TV stick. It's portable, it is USB powered, easy to throw in a bag. And honestly, hotel smart TVs are usually terrible in my opinion, but this makes traveling way easier. You plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, and suddenly hotel TV feels like home. So again, it's gonna be great for your hotels, your Airbnbs, vacations, work trips, road trips. Even if you're just in the airport and you want to plug a device into your laptop, which I did do a video on how to do that, this is going to come in handy. So this is one of those devices that's so cheap and portable that it makes sense to keep in your backpack. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What streaming device are you using right now, and would you actually recommend it? Drop it down in the comments. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.